Hey guys, it's Hoover here, and I'm so excited to be showing you this. So this is the video that I was like yesterday, this is the surprise. So right here in my hands, let's take this paperwork off. You guys are gonna be like, oh, he got another phone. Well, right here in my hands, we have the iPhone XR, and it's beautiful shimmeringness, and I'm so excited to unbox this for you guys. We also have, very needed, a glass screen protector, and I'll also be unboxing the OtterBox commuter series for the XR as well. And so I will be getting rid of the 6S, and I will be getting the XR. So let's first, there's a pull tab right here, but you guys know we gotta use a knife. Gotta do that. So let's just take the little knife and give it a nice slice right here. Never cut towards yourself, even though I'm breaking that rule. It shouldn't take this long, but they have it so tightly packed that it's just hard. Okay, so, whoa, I'm not good at this, as you can see. So we have this paper now, so we can just throw that away. So here is what we've been waiting for. Oh yeah, designed by Apple in California, right here. So I went with the white because I kind of wanted like a neutral color that would match a lot of cases, and honestly, I don't really like the black iPhone 8 or X or the XR because like the black is not actually black. If you look at it up close, it is actually like more of a gray, and I didn't like that. And the blue, I mean, I'd like the blue. That probably would have been my second choice. And also the red iPhone, the glass, I don't really like the glass red. I like the metal red on the 7. But okay, so enough about that. We have this little pamphlet. Okay, we can just throw this aside. Okay, so it says hello. Oh, we got our Apple stickers. Always nice to have these. We got just paperwork. Ooh, a SIM card ejector. Definitely need one of these. That's nice that they include that, because I've never gotten one of those in my phone before. And then, hello. Here's what all that says. Okay, so now the most important part. Here is the phone. Oh crap, it almost fell out. That would have been bad. Okay, so here is the white. Let's take off the safety paper. Do this really close to the microphone so you guys can hear it. Excuse my mom talking in the background. Beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys the color first before I see it. Oh my gosh, it looks, you know what, I pulled a couple of these out. This is what it reminds me of a lot, is the iPhone 4. I said that in this video. These two are basically the same thing. Like, it literally reminds me of the white iPhone 4. Also, what this phone line up reminds me of is the iPhone 5C, and I also have the white one here. So that's compared to the 5C. They really remind me of each other. This is like the 5C, and then the XS is like the 5S. And so yeah, so here's our phone. We're gonna set that over to the side. Make sure that's nice and good. The camera lens is huge. So let's see what else they included. We got our charger brick. Never gonna have too many of these. We also got the headphones. There's no dongle. They kind of went cheap and didn't include that, but you know, honestly, I use Bluetooth headphones anyway. And then you have these little cords, and you can never have too many of these. And it's about time that I get a new one, because mine's getting a little bit old and like breaking. But yeah, so it's nice, and that's all they have in the box. Okay, so now the moment of truth. I need to find, sorry guys, my desk is a mess right now. I need to find that SIM card ejector thing and take that out so I can get the SIM card out of my old phone right here, my 6S. Take that, pop it out, turns on. Take that out. Sorry guys, I'm still really sick and I have an awful cough. And then take my new phone, make sure not to lose that SIM card, and put, the SIM card is like on the bottom for some reason. Okay, so now, gotta pop that in. They always include a SIM card, but we do not need that. So we got our own here, the actually activated one. Okay, now let's just shove this in here the way that it goes. Okay, now we just pop this back in. Okay, now we are going to put this SIM card thing away because you don't want to lose that. Now we're going to power it on. Does it want to power on? Come on, buddy. Okay, good. I thought they sent me a dead one. So there, as you can see, the screen isn't exactly OLED, but it's still, on my review based on Walmart, it still looks good. I'm going to take this SIM card and put it in my old one, in my old phone, so that way there's a SIM card in there. Because it always bugs you if it doesn't. My mom, because she took the upgrade, like, this is technically the XRs for her phone, but since I really wanted one, and my sister needed an upgrade, and she needed an upgrade, she'll probably get this one, my old phone, and then I got the XR. Okay, so it's on, so now it says hello, so we need to slide it up. Okay, English, please. I honestly never thought I'd use a 10 model. So it says quick start. Okay, quick start. Hold on 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, so quick start. It says unlock to continue. So I have to unlock it. Then quick start. Wait, hold on. Or quick start. It says, sorry, I have to cover up my information, but it says it's not going to focus. But it says just continue and use this to set up your new iPhone. So yes, we're going to hit yes. Okay, now, whoa, an image has appeared. This looks weird. Okay, so connecting. This screen is so bright, I'll tell you what. Like, if you look at the glare from my phone compared to this one, it's so bright. Sorry for the cough, guys. Okay, enter the other passcode. Don't try to be looking at my passcode. Okay, setting up your iPhone. Came at about 70% charge. That's good. Okay, so now it says it may take a few minutes to activate. And this, it says finish on new iPhone. It actually focused that time. Okay, now the screen got a little bit dimmer, so that's good. See, it was bright. Now it says it's activating my iPhone, so I'm just gonna sit around. I also have, of course, the OtterBox case. Gosh. So here is the OtterBox. While that activates, we're gonna look at the OtterBox case. Oh, never mind. It just said data and privacy, so we're gonna hit continue. Oh, Face ID. Now here we go. This is gonna be something new. So how to set up Face ID, get started. So I'm gonna do this for you guys. Move your head slowly in a circle. This looks so weird. First scan complete. Second scan complete. Face ID is now set up. Nice. I think I might miss the home button. I never liked the clicky home button. I like the iPhone 7's home button. Never liked the 6S's home button. So I will be happy to get rid of that. This phone is kind of getting warmer. Now it says setting up your Apple ID. So we're now going to set that down and look at this OtterBox case. So here it is. So I got the black OtterBox commuter. They just recommended this with the phone. So that's, or with like, to order it with the phone on Verizon. Okay, and OtterBox says protect, connect, share. So now we can just throw that away. So now on my phone, it wants me to enter my Apple ID password. No peeking. Sign in. Yeah, I mean, thanks a lot to my mom. She still has a 6 Plus. She said she wants to use her phone until she dies. Or till it dies, not she, that's awful. She wanted to use her phone until it dies. She has the 6 Plus, and after that, she said she's just going to use my phone, so, because they're still paying on my phone. So, everybody else's is ready to upgrade, but you guys know since my SE cracked. Okay, now, I'm going to hit set up as a new iPhone, because there's not enough storage on my iCloud account, because photos are taking up that. And then on my computer, it's currently being dumb. I tried backing it up earlier. So, okay, so my phone should be done with. So now, agree, install updates manually, enable location services, okay, Apple Pay, setup later and wallet. We'll just go through the setup process. Continue. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. You can't even see that. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, it's me. Okay. Hey Siri is ready. iPhone analytics don't share. True tone display. What in the world is that? Oh, I guess use. Display zoom. I think I want zoomed out just to make it look better. Go home. I know how to use this. I'm not dumb. Okay. Welcome to iPhone. So as you can see, actually, I'm going to start, Verizon's texting me. I'm going to start a screen recording. So first we have to go and add that. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to start screen recording just because that would be too much video to put. But here are the new wallpapers. So I think what one I'm going to use is probably, I like this orange one. So probably the orange for now. So yeah, this is my new iPhone. I'm also going to put the screen protector on, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I grabbed the screen protector. So now we're going to open this. Just tear it open, honestly. I don't care about the screen protector packaging. I just heard a cracking sound. I really hope that wasn't my screen protector. If I actually cracked the screen protector, I'm going to be so mad at myself because this was not cheap at all. Okay, so here is what you get. Okay. It has a red thing, and I'm assuming that's just to put the screen protector on, but we don't need that. We're a pro at this. You don't know how many screen protector I've put on for myself or other people. Okay, so I grabbed the phone. Now I just need here's the screen protector. Okay, let's see. What size is sticky? This size is sticky. Okay. So now we should need to take our little cloth and wipe off the screen to make sure there's no fingerprints or dust. Okay. And that size is sticky. So now we should need, oh, there's already a piece of dirt on it. Okay. Cut that off. It's trying to read my face right now, but my face isn't near things. Of course, this is really hard because, like, on the bottom, you used to be able to have a home button to try to like put it around, but now you don't have that home button anymore. I think that looks good. Now we just need to get the bubbles out of it. Oh, see, look at Face ID works. Why wouldn't it, honestly? But see, so if I go here and go here, it unlocks. So that's nice. Okay, so now we can put this case on. Flip this into the case. It's a thick case, let me tell you that. But it's protective. That's what we need. And also my mom spent a lot of money on this. The total came over like to a little bit over $1,000, I think. After my sister's phone was purchased, the cases, OtterBox are not cheap. Let me just tell you. You guys are probably sick of me rambling, but you know, this isn't the most professional unboxing. My sister also did a unboxing. She actually did it before me. I don't know if she uploaded it quite yet, but she did the unboxing before me because she opened her phone first. Here it is. It's in my new case. My new iPhone XR. Face ID works. Sorry, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching this, guys. I'm so excited. Bye.